Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Using a socket wrench, a long extender and a 13mm socket, unscrew the fastening plate of the battery and remove it. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a small socket wrench and a 10mm socket, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Using a flathead screwdriver, open the plastic cover of the trunk, which is over the positive terminal. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unfix the fastening nut of the plus terminal. Carefully remove the battery fuse board. Once free, position it in a way so that it doesn't get in the way of the following steps. You can now remove the battery.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Correctly position the board in front of the positive terminal on the battery, then clip it in place by pushing downwards. Finish by fixing the positive terminal using a socket wrench. Finally, close the protective cover on the positive terminal. You can now put the negative terminal in place. Hold it firmly on the terminal and fix it in place with a socket wrench. Put the battery fastening plate in place. Then finish off the tightening with a socket wrench. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.